student, this is a tutorial of if else statement in C Sharp Visual Studio 2019, and I've already created a program that is a if else statement. So here we will find a condition that will base on if condition. For example, if condition is true, the output will be according to your choice. If condition false, definitely the output will be in the another condition. So let's have this explanation of this, especially that I have created the get max, that will find, it's a method, and it will find the maximum value of this number. You can easily change in 20, 10, 70 by another numbers, but I have taken according to my choice. And that is the control read line. Definitely you will have your output on the screen. That is a static, that is a variable, and integer get max. You will have to call this method according to this one line, that is the void main. Okay, that is integer result. So result will be the type of the integer variable. What will be the result? Result will be according to the number choice. For example, its category in the number, not the string. That's why we have taken the integer variable, and its data type is integer. So students, there is a body text, and that is the basically important line of this program, and our task is basically start from here. That is the if num1 greater than is equal to num2. For example, there is a first number and there is a second number, so compiler will compare and see this condition is true. Double sign, it's a ampersand sign. If this condition is also true, for example, num1 greater than equal to num3, so definitely the result will store in the result, and that is the integer variable, that will be a num1. Similarly, if this condition fall, so the compiler will jump on this statement. Else if the number 2 will be compared with the number 1 and the number 3, and this result will be stored in as a number 2. Otherwise, the third condition of if else statement will be the else condition. The result will be num3 understood. So the result will be written in the last. So I'm going to build this program. That what will happen, that is the output of 70. So let's see, that is 70 is the bigger number, or the maximum number is 20, 10 and 70. Definitely it's the greater number. If I am going to replace this 70 by lowest number, for example, there is the 15, or there is the 05, for example the 5. I have changed the task, so definitely now my number, greater number is 20. So let's have the output of the screen. There must be the 20 on our screen, because 20 is greater number. So hence our task has been done. In order to watch my more lesson videos, you will have to keep watching my channel and like and subscribe it. Thank you.